Hello guys, welcome back to the video. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to quickly brighten your images in Photoshop. And you can do this in less than 1 minute. So let's start the tutorial. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open your image in Photoshop. As you can see this image is not more brightened. I want to brighten this image. So let's start our process. If you want to download this image, then the link is in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. First of all, we select the background layer and click here, make a solid color layer. Then select the white color, press OK. Now blend this layer to the soft light. Or you can use different blending options. But I prefer to use soft light. As you can see that it has brightened the image, but it has loosened the details and contrast of our image. There are different ways to add a contrast to our image. I will use the brightness and contrast method. Now don't use brightness. Make its contrast to about 100 or 90%. Yes. So as you can see this, you can simply decrease its opacity if it is needed in your image. The 90% is best in my image. So as you can see this is the before and this is the after. So as you can see that how quickly we brighten our image. So please support this channel financially on Patreon. So if you want to support my channel financially, then I have added the Patreon link is in the description of this video. And I have created an action file of this method. If you are a Patreon of my channel, then you can download that action for free and it will brighten your image in just one click. You doesn't need to do this type of stuff. You can simply import that action and then just play that action. It will automatically brighten your image in just one click. So I hope this video will help you a lot. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video. And at the end, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And I want to say thanks to GSK Gupta who is supporting this channel on the Patreon. Goodbye.